say even as near to ade na ojina eye chance yes obetimi apagya ade no wo bazooka e board the figure ba mesum the figure ba bogo so the figure ba enye dan ya figure na nye the same baako de wo so chen baako etinmetimi akotu figure bi amepe ba se ko ba se ade na even as e ton no bazooka nkwa na pa e ba sa na there's nothing like bidding war etin fa pressure e mama me to play team na open so ba bi enko ye mfa mo be o Mosala ko and a man prepare life after Mosala so okay Mosala e ko no yempo bi gidigidi obetimi ababelu place Mosala animanim ya enzo PSG ya omo ya one team for now ade na e flare ne pressure no ebi ni the last 5 years omo achieve bibia so dia na wo catch PSG and how they kwa ebekunu na no say player ni star they don't have any problem player ne kwa omo ni problem bia ene kwa basa na wo kwa akopɛ no na pressure beto so because no onye hungry say wo person to player no 81st cablan there bi ono otene ba bi oto a odisika ne ba meje obeba wan fa man so amati no make ba premiership nim so kwa ya another
Rafaelio mo type ni bia
Rafaelio the crowd on the side grow ni one say Rafaelio no kwa ya bit skillful than Bakola one say Rafaelio no dey ukura ball now team so a bit skillful or take ons ne ade or Bakola ne dey but Liverpool and Donny roller say ne prime target na fina ne sa kaniti ye wakokɔ a lot of players on ma reject you but already wait get man amna ba bi si akan e dey mind no Real Madrid Bazooka yes ma witness a lot of number 9s center forward e wo game ni mo some of them ma babe ready for mo ho ma ntimi anyo opportunity ahwe omo ma ready e dey for mo ho but omo aminyo opportunity hwe omo say number 9 say in association football position na ye friend center forward no one say nya striker bia na typical number 9 say number 9 onjina up front na one twat na mfa team no ma witness a lot of number 9 mahu Ronaldo Luis Nazaro de Lima mahu no mi hu hwe kwampo no Bazooka mahu eya Brantia ye friend Luis Suarez mahu Robert Lewandowski Radamel Falcao mu nyina lead attack okay David Villa ye hu mu nyina e wo game a lot of players Diego Costa am number 9 for no Bazooka me kase in this generation me hu number 9 ya onim go she e chen na Brantia na ye friend Luis Suarez no in this generation me hu number 9 ya onim go she e chen na Brantia na ye friend Luis Suarez no or ye complete number 9 once we have certain number 9s o mo complete like obiti said Diego Costa onye complete number 9 ontimi nkura ball ne mobi mahu eye Erling Haaland the typical number obeshe goals the amount by Erling Haaland because ontimi nkura ball ne mobo ne bi and me a coach I like that type of number 9 mo mutimi nkura ball ne bobi enunti na Samuel Jan always be ano obey me all time number 9 that's all time top striker ewe yen senior national team ko football ha ma me hwe ntimi nka kese enfa from ba Samuel Jan na me hu ne de me hu ne say bear from 2000 anybody me minim number 9 won do ni Ghana jersey na or better than Samuel Jan onimbo ne bo e no san nim go ni share and that type of number 9s na am no so wi ase etisene se obenya number 9 one onye train as a number 9 or you invented number 9 once you invent no wansuya enya like wosuya enya dia obeka say from infancy eno an wa ba e de aba we invented number 9 you invented so on number 9 in the shape of a brand here your friend no Kylian Mbappe Bazooka Mbappe that we know from AS Monaco to Paris Saint-Germain ebe PM ewo Madrid no yenim so on de left wing on 10 wa no na ma no tumlika no ayekati no ababa be shego but mo be PM wa Madrid no ne na no bo mo left wing on no na FM Vinicius Junior no before say Kylian Mbappe ba no say he was the poster boy of the Madrid. It ya be this over sacrifice the poster boy. I'm another poster boy aba because getting these two guys in the game no and are there advantage at the mouth. Eti obe PM Madrid no Bazooka Madrid finally decided say on the born as a center forward. Carlo Ancelotti na starters you know. Alonso Betuaso Abelo Betuaso and then Jose Mourinho and so Ababa Betuaso. Bazooka Obi Oba as a left a winger. Yaba be inventing as a number 9. Oba La Liga no so Obi Antiminji Goken. Apart from on Obi Antiminji Goken. Two Kylian Mbappe and then I'm Kwaso Baba Betin number 9. That's more. Papa, ebi obe choose say go be the left side. But ene wa born number 9 even at the World Cup. I think it's on the new golden boot at the World Cup. Number 9 no ene wa born number 9 na ba betin number 9 na say amene say Kylian Mbappe air bonus on na air born number 9 the best option abe choose obe team say but abent na suya baba betin number 9 na say more. Ebi Mbappe oni that friend na obeka say eye Ronaldo eye Nazaro de Lima wono oni that friend na obeka say Luis Suarez mo wono oni that friend na obeka say Samuel Eto'o mo but ono so one style ono so the boss position opposition in we making sure say ball na no say aka on one player obeje obesho and this season say man be betting ya go far this season na Mbappe was sudie kese and will prove beyond reasonable doubt say though when you typical number 9 but the number 9 position on modern neighbor no why you successful when you failure but because the play go bet me a failure why you failure on you failure and the first time Oba say number 9 time Oba Madrid but that season he won the goal king the second season Osanje Twaso and this season was started on a high note. On goes in said on the Maya number 9. Bazooka, and on the Maya proper number 9. That was why Haaland, a month for because Haaland and Yade, Onimbo, Nebo, but the way none of my Niger bar park and that's why Yababo Haaland did. What's a go? It's a human Kylian Mbappe, the Mamma no. Bazooka, Emma, no mania Jidiama Branches. What changing the position? But when you fail at the position here, then about better. And the French national team, the question using as a number 9, and of course, what would deliver number 9 the Juman and saying to score goals, meboa, and when your goals need the momo. I dear Bakwa come out and say, on betting me close to a Bakwa. I dear Bakwa come out no, say a children no, on betting me a silly to queer, did that wakakra, the holding midfield, no, on betting me a silly wakakra. Macase, with this Madrid midfield, playing against a team Madrid and Barcelona, because La Liga Nimudia, top opponents, I'll be meet your mona, these two teams, no, Madrid here says, or are they up on the midfield? If it's a one, are they up on midfielder, playing against these teams. Madrid born the best son Mbappe home better no because of packing midfield or more surprise and then call it made me believe we say Madrid because say Madrid are ready to compete with Barcelona this season obey here a proper central midfielder bako Eddie Ababa kanti Kylian Mbappe Bazooka akwano no ye 2 seasons ago last season or sent to us this season scoring 3 goals against Real Sociedad. I think say enye fluke adwuma no nim ye and I to us our ye Eddie Madrid team Madrid